Today we're making a full English breakfast from the United Kingdom, a classic cooked breakfast built around pan-fried and grilled components. It's an easy recipe that takes about 40 minutes total and serves four. The core plate features eggs, back bacon, pork sausages, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, and sautéed mushrooms, often finished with toast on the side. Hot, hearty, and unmistakably British, it's the iconic fry-up served in cafes and kitchens across England. Share your original recipe in the comments and subscribe to Recipe Atlas. The next story is already in the kitchen. Today we're making a full English breakfast from the United Kingdom. It's a classic fry-up, combining pan frying with quick grilling or sautéing. The recipe is easy, takes about 40 minutes total, and serves four. The core plate features eggs, back bacon, pork sausages, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, and sautéed mushrooms, often with toast on the side to catch every sauce and yolk. It's hot, hearty, and unmistakably British. The full English takes shape when it enters print. In the 19th century, the fried breakfast becomes a recognizable genre. Hot, substantial morning dishes described in detail. Victorian household guides include combinations like ham and eggs, a clear sign that breakfast is being codified. Once it's written down, it stops being only habit and becomes a repeatable model, one that can travel from home kitchens to cafes. In Victorian Britain, a big breakfast signals status and discipline. It echoes aristocratic country tables, but it also fits a middle-class idea of starting the day properly. Energy, order, respectability. As cities grow and schedules tighten, breakfast must be substantial yet doable. The fry-up becomes a compromise, complete, hot, and surprisingly easy to standardize, especially once cooking advice and routines spread through popular household texts. Here's the surprise. The full English isn't a fixed checklist. Some elements return again and again. Bacon, sausages, eggs, tomatoes, mushrooms, bread, but every era and every household recalibrates the plate. Some additions become common over time, others stay debated. That flexibility keeps it alive. It's a formula, not a dogma. Variety, heat, and abundance, arranged so each bite can be different. Food encyclopedias treat the fried breakfast as a genre, with alternatives and substitutions, sometimes smoked fish instead of meat, sometimes different sides depending on context. That matters. The full English isn't only a recipe, it's a format. Like documentary grammar, recurring elements, flexible editing, and formats travel well. Once people recognize the structure, the meal becomes easy to reproduce, easy to sell, and easy to read, even for visitors. Today, the full English thrives in cafes. It can show up at lunch because its identity isn't tied to the clock, but to the plate. It's comfort food, a weekend ritual, a hangover cure, and a must-try for visitors. Its spread comes from repeatability. The same gestures, the same logic, ingredients you can source almost anywhere. It doesn't demand ceremony, just heat, timing, and a hungry table. Full doesn't mean just one thing. Across Britain and Ireland, you find regional versions, different breads, puddings, sides, and signature ingredients. It's the same concept, a complete cooked breakfast, translated into local culinary dialects. That's the secret of longevity. One shared structure, room for local identity. The idea adapts without dissolving, so people can claim it as theirs while still recognizing it instantly. The full English is social ritual, eaten slowly, discussed, shared. It's the plate that says, "Today we take our time." Even when it isn't everyday food, it remains a gesture. Ordering a fry-up is choosing warmth, stability, familiarity. That's why it becomes symbolic. Food here speaks about identity, not only what you eat, but what kind of morning you want to have, and who you want to have it with. The full English is social ritual, eaten slowly, discussed, shared. It's the plate that says, "Today we take our time." Even when it isn't everyday food, it remains a gesture. Ordering a fry-up is choosing warmth, stability, familiarity. That's why it becomes symbolic. Food here speaks about identity. Not only what you eat, but what kind of morning you want to have, and who you want to have it with. In film, TV, and photos, the fry-up becomes visual iconography. A crowded plate, bold colors, glossy textures, and you instantly know the setting. It's cultural shorthand, a country in a single frame. Even the nicknames, fry-up or full Monty, make it stick in memory. It's comfort food, yes, but also set design, an object that carries story without needing explanation. For many people, it's no longer an everyday breakfast. It takes time, pans, and intention. And that's exactly why it becomes a celebration. The full English survives as an experience, something you choose when you want to feel grounded or when you want to share a moment. Cafes keep it alive, families reinterpret it, and the plate keeps saying the same line. Today we eat slowly and well. This is the full English breakfast, a meal that became a symbol by changing while staying recognizable. With it, a piece Share of your original recipe Tell us in the comments and subscribe to Recipe Atlas. The next stop on our culinary is already in the kitchen. Well be yours.